The best remote control cars 2022 has to offer are extremely powerful and detailed. Whether you're new to remote control cars or you're an aficionado, there are a few things to consider when looking to invest in a new remote control car. Remote control cars can be pricey, they look awesome and perform well, but with such detailed builds, it's important to consider reparability. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Review Findlay present Top 5 Best Remote Control Cars. Let's get started. Number 5. CMJ Cars Aston Martin Vantage. If all you want is a car for interested kids to trundle around the floor, CMJ's cut price range of 124 replicas is the way to go. They're fast enough for indoor use, they seem to last a long while on their AA batteries, and they're no great loss should someone decide to use the stairs as a racetrack. There's a wide selection of car models on offer beyond this neat little Vantage, but we've picked this solely because it's the most affordable of the bunch. The whole range runs on 2.4 GHz controllers with around 25 meters range, which means you can easily get multiple examples racing at once without fiddling with radio channels. Number 4. Traxxas TRX4 Land Rover Defender. Rock crawlers are a great way to have fun with an RC car if you're more interested in realism and control than going as fast as possible, and Traxxas officially licensed Land Rover is one of the very best out there. It's so packed with features. Traxxas portal axles give it huge ground clearance and eliminate torque twist. It's completely waterproof so you can go crazy in the mud or water. The servos are an all-metal design, and the whole chassis is joined together with a rigid steel ladder frame. Skip advert. You get precision control, too, with everything from cruise control to gearing to diff locks available on the handset. There is a fairly large barrier of entry in the form of its price, but given that you can likely get 2 hours 1/10 scale trail bashing out of a single battery charge, we think it's worth the investment. Number 3. Jada Toys Fast and Furious Brian's. Calling all Fast and Furious fans, this is your chance to own Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR, albeit in RC car form and with a strong drifting twist to it. Yes, this is a drift RC car that flaunts the same silver and blue livery seen on the original car. Now, being a drift-focused RC car, Jada Toys GTR is not about speed. That's why the manufacturer doesn't offer info on that. However, Jada Toys offers spare rear tires because those are bound to suffer a lot of damage during your drifting stints in the living room or on your driveway, for that matter. Number 2. QUN Foam Electric RC Car. A perfect imitation of the real car, this beautiful Lambo is a must-see for luxury car lovers. With glowing headlights and illuminating red taillights, this little car lights up when you pull forward or reverse. This car runs best on smooth surfaces like concrete, wood, or asphalt and comes with detailed rubber wheels that help approximate max speeds up to 10 miles per hour. With this car, you also receive a remote control. There are 4 lights on the front and back, which looks cool and fierce, easily to control the car by a remoter, moving forwarding and backward, turning right and left. The radio controller has 2 joysticks to control direction. One is forward and back, the other is left or right. Number 1. Bezgar Remote Control Car. As replica cars go, this is a stunner, looking just like the gorgeous Lamborghini Aventador, only at a 1/24 scale. Despite being modeled on such a premium machine, this is super affordable to buy. The catch? It will require 24 AA batteries, so either have rechargeable ones ready or a whole load of spares. That said, it won't chew through battery fast, as this is limited to 4 miles per hour, ideal for younger drivers then. That said, it has been known to drift too, so there is still plenty of fun to be had with this car. And with a 2.4 GHz controller, it can go up to 80 feet away before losing signal. You even get to pick the Lamborghini color with suitably loud orange and yellow options available. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.